In this video, we are going to learn how you can recover the deleted chat over on Telegram. So do kindly watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, in order to read the deleted messages over on Telegram, you need to require this application named WEMR. I've already installed it, so let's open the application, and after that click on the three lines in the upper left corner, and you have to add Telegram to this application. Just click on Telegram and it will be added to this application. After that, if I go to my Telegram now, from here, let's say this guy has messaged me. Alright, so here you can see the message is now deleted from everyone. He has deleted the message from my chat, and if I go to this application, you can see I can easily access that message here. So this is basically how you can read the deleted messages over on Telegram. So all for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Thank you so much for watching.